जीवन देने वाली जीवदानी, the miraculous Devi who sits on top of a hill near Mumbai. Let's go and worship Jeevdani Devi. Located on a hill 1500 feet above the sea level is the temple of goddess Jeevdani. Jeevdani means the goddess of life. The history of this temple dates back to the era of the Pandavas. During their Vanvas, the Pandavas invoked the Ekveera Devi over here. They named her Bhagavati Jeevdani. The presently installed image is a very recent one. The original Sanctum Sanctorum is the hole in the niche of the cave, which is the central place of worship. A fair is held on the Dasera day, which is attended by thousands of people. And let me tell you, rest of the year, Fridays are very special over here. From the main gate, there are around 1400 steps that you would need to take to reach the temple. And of course, the alternate route that I have taken now. There are two stair routes you can take. One is the front route, which you saw in the beginning of the video. And this one is the back route or the older route, which is pretty beautiful and it's like trekking through the jungle. If you can't take the stairs, worry not. The funicular railway takes around 3 minutes to carry you on the steep hillock. So this is the funicular railway through which you can easily reach the temple in just a matter of minutes. There is a waiting hall down there where you can wait while your funicular railway comes. And when it comes, you can just hop in. By the way, the price of the ticket is rupees 250 for each. This facility can carry from 40 to 50 people at a time, one way. In the fee of rupees 250, both to and fro is included. You can even pay by UPI. In between a jungle on top of a hill, this temple is known to fulfill all your sincere wishes. So if you wish to have some peaceful time near Mumbai, you can surely visit Jeevdani Devi temple, because peace is something surely what you will get.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.